How to change your email on your Dropbox account. First things first, go ahead and make sure you're logged into your Dropbox account. Now here you want to come to the top right and you will see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll see a bunch of different options. Click on settings right here. And once this page loads up, I'll show you all the different settings we have. So under personal account, we have general. So under general, scroll down and you should see your personal email. So my email is right here, and right next to it, you want to go ahead and click on edit. Now here is where we can update our email address. So we just have to enter our new email. Okay, let me enter my email, and then we have to confirm this email, and then just enter our Dropbox password. I'll put that in. Now you just go ahead and click on update email, and then they will send a confirmation. Basically, you'll have to verify your new email address, and then it'll be fully updated. Really that easy and simple, guys.